Hey everyone! Struggling to find the right soldering station for your projects? In today's video, I'm sharing the top 5 soldering stations that'll make your repairs quicker and more precise. Stick around to find the perfect tool for you. Check the price and full details in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 1. JCD 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The JCD 2-in-1 Soldering Station 8586 is an excellent choice for anyone needing both a soldering iron and hot air gun in one unit. This 2-in-1 station features an LCD digital display, which allows precise control of temperature settings for various tasks, ensuring your work is accurate and efficient. It operates on both 110V and 220V, making it versatile for different regions. Whether you're working on PCB repairs, SMD components, or general soldering tasks, this station delivers the power and flexibility needed for most projects. The unit includes ESD protection, so you won't have to worry about damaging sensitive electronic components. The compact and ergonomic design helps keep your workspace organized, while the 3-in-1 function makes it a space-saving solution. However, it's not the best choice for heavy-duty professional work or high-volume jobs. If you're just starting or need a reliable tool for general repairs, this station is perfect for you. Overall, the JCD 2-in-1 offers great value for hobbyists and DIY repair enthusiasts looking for an affordable yet capable soldering station. Number 2. FNIRSI DWS 200 Soldering Station. The FNIRSI DWS 200 Soldering Station is a powerful and affordable 200W option for anyone who needs precision in their soldering projects. It features a 2.8-inch TFT screen that provides a clear and easy-to-read display of your temperature settings, ensuring you can adjust with precision. The station's temperature range spans from 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a wide variety of jobs, including general soldering, PCB work, and even BGA component rework. It's compatible with F210 and F245 handles, which allows for comfortable and ergonomic use, even during long sessions. The lightweight design makes this station highly portable, so you can easily carry it around or store it in smaller workspaces. While the handle could use a bit more comfort for extended use, this soldering station is a solid, budget-friendly choice for hobbyists and small-scale repair shops. If you need a reliable station without breaking the bank, the FNIRSI DWS 200 is an excellent option. It's ideal for everyday soldering needs, but may not have the durability required for heavy professional use. Number 3. AIXUN T3A T3B Smart Soldering Station. The AIXUN T3A T3B Smart Soldering Station is a powerful and versatile tool designed for precision soldering and rework tasks. With a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, this station is perfect for handling delicate components, including BGA rework, SMD components, and general PCB repairs. The station's intelligent temperature control ensures that your settings are both accurate and consistent, with the added benefit of temperature memory storage. This allows you to easily store your preferred settings for future use, making it a time saver for professionals who perform repetitive tasks. It's compatible with various tip sizes, including T115, T210, T245, and T12. Which means you have a variety of options for different tasks. The 200W power output ensures quick heating, so you don't waste time waiting. While the AIXUN T3A T3 becomes at a higher price point than basic models, it's well worth the investment for those who require precise control and flexibility. This station is ideal for professional technicians or serious hobbyists who need top-notch performance. Number 4. SUGON T61 400W Soldering Station. The SUGON T61 is a high-power 400W soldering station that provides exceptional performance for heavy-duty soldering jobs. Whether you're working with large components, PCB repairs, or BGA rework, this station can handle it all with ease. The temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius ensures it's versatile enough for any soldering task. With 4 temperature presets, you can easily switch between settings for different jobs, and the temperature compensation system ensures consistent heat for perfect results every time. The plug-and-play design makes it easy to set up and start working right away, while the silicone storage slot keeps your handle and tools organized. However, due to its high power, this station may not be suitable for beginners or light use. It's perfect for professionals who require rapid heating and reliability for complex projects. If you're working on larger repairs or handling demanding soldering tasks, the SUGON T61 provides the power and accuracy you need for high-quality results. Number 5. AIFEN A902 Pro Soldering Station. The AIFEN A902 Pro is a dual-station soldering system that includes both a soldering iron and a hot air gun, making it ideal for mobile repair technicians and those working on intricate electronics. It's compatible with several tip sizes, including C115, C210, and C245, allowing you to tackle a wide range of tasks with precision. This station has a temperature range of 100 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, ensuring you can easily adjust the heat for delicate work like mobile phone repairs, BGA soldering, or general PCB work. Its dual-station design allows for both soldering and rework at the same time, which can help increase your efficiency when handling complex repair tasks. Although the AIFEN A902 Pro is a bit bulky and requires more space compared to single-station models, it offers excellent functionality and versatility. It's ideal for professionals who frequently work with small components and need both tools in one convenient unit. If you're looking for a reliable dual-station setup, the AIFEN A902 Pro is a great choice. That's it for today. If this video helped you choose the right soldering station, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I publish helpful videos like this every day to help you make smarter buying decisions. For the latest prices and product links, check the description below. We've done the research to save you time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully chosen based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability, so you can confidently pick the best option for your needs.